Here we have a unique offering, a freestanding townhouse, so your own house on its own block, a stone's throw from the Dalkeith village, offering 297 square metres of space. Let's have a look through. The open plan kitchen, lounge and dining is fantastic. It's on the eastern side of the property, so you get that abundance of morning light. It opens out to your own deck and your own private courtyard.
Can't reach to your heart when you say that I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say.
Upstairs is the bedroom zone. Here we are in the main bedroom, more than king size, with a fantastic walk-in robe through to a stunning ensuite bathroom. The secondary bedrooms upstairs are both queen sized, serviced by a beautiful bathroom and have an abundance of natural eastern light. So there we have it, 120 Adelma Road, walking distance to the Dalkeith village, your own private residence, the perfect right sizer. We cannot wait to show you through.